Oh, the finale's gonna suck. This is gonna suck. I need another chainsaw.
We're having a shot. Up this escalator.
No. Is there seriously another smoker? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What? What? Are you kidding me? No. Oh, you punk. I gotta go back down there and get another health kit. And something else is gonna try and get me. I just know it. Frack. Might as well get more ammo too. Goodness. Haha, charger fail.
Hey, anyone?
And spitter fail.
Let's go through here. Down that escalator.
I see you, spitter. Oh, okay, okay. I see you. Come on, charge me, charge me, charge me. Yeah, what now, sucker? Die, sucker!
Hey, anyone out there? I hope the food court's okay. Come on, this way.
Who are you talking to? There's no one there.
Poor food court never stood a chance.
Are you serious? Where's he at?
Quiet, everybody. I need a glitch. Lights out. Over this door.
Are you kidding me?
Watch out! Spit!
Oh, snap! Right there. That's why I got on the box. And I know where the witch is, so I'm not going near her. Come on, please let there be some items in here. This whole thing just sucks. Oh, come on, I'm not trying to close the door myself.
Search these rooms. Might be something we can use.
What do you think I'm doing, coach? Yes, another health kit.
Where you
Take
all
the
at?
opportunity now. Oh god, there's something pounding on the door.
That's what I'm talking about.
Smoker. Wrong way. Ah, he broke through there.
Coming! Woo!
Ouch! Dang it! Frick.
I know one thing.
Goes now.
All right.
Take this adrenaline shot.
Keep it tight.
Take some ammo. And I shall.
I hear Hunter.
Oh, come on. Come over here then.
Where you all
I
at?
got something for you.
Fire in the hole!
Yeah, what now, Hunter?
That one's mine.
Are you kidding me? And there's a hunter? I mean, charger? And that's why you just wasted your charge. Oh, come on! You're kidding me!
Turn off the alarm. Don't stop running. Just run.
He's gonna be waiting right over there for me.
Hey,
Just know.
anyone out there? We got to turn off that alarm. Got it. I can still hear it in my head, but I think the alarm is off.
Did I just go the wrong way? Oh no, I'm going the right way. Cool.
I won't lie. Don't look good.
Let me make it, please. Let me make it, please. Oh, that was awesome.
I can't be all this left.
Woo!
Holla back at me, folks.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, anyone out there? All good now.
Oh, brother. Alright, I'm back. Let's do this. Can't believe I still got some chainsaw gas left.
Come on, people, let's get with it.
There are no people, Coach. You're like Will Smith. Although slightly larger and less attractive. No homo.
Grabbing a shot. Holla back at me, folks.
Whoa, snap! Oh God, no! That's what I get for hanging out there. I don't know why I checked that.
All right, so getting evac ain't happening. Anybody got an idea? Now's the time.
I got an idea. That's Jimmy Gibbs' stock car. Let's say we found some gas cans around here
Where
and
you
gas
all
it up.
at?
Because you're a gas can.